Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy day here. The first 30 minutes is essentially where all kind of the excitement happened. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see right here, opening 30 minutes, big price action, big volume. And then from there, things kind of chilled out here a little bit. And then the final portion of the day is kind of a buzzkill. Now, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but the chart would have just looked so much better if history had kept repeating itself. And that piece of history being right here at the $1.38 level. You can see that throughout basically the entire morning and then afternoon, early afternoon, I should say. The price was doing a good job of maintaining above that green line. And had the price maintained that support, like I said, that would have made the chart look very, very attractive. But then late afternoon, you can see the price broke through it and down it went from there. Again, just to reiterate, I'm not saying that this means the entire chart's ruined and that on Monday this thing's going to be at 50 cents. Not saying that, just saying, kind of preferably speaking, the chart would have looked a lot better had the price stayed above there. But now because the price is broken below there, that's just this is based on a foundational principle in charting. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance, and you can actually see that's already taken place once during the final 30 minutes. Price tried to get back up above there and couldn't quite do it. So going into Monday, $1.38, definitely that near-term level of resistance to keep an eye on. Now, what about levels of support? First area of support is just going to be the low, as low as it got today, which was, what was that, about $1.10. So the $1.10 mark was, well, the low, I guess it opened there, and that was the low. So always a good sign when the low of the day is also the open of the day. So $1.10 going to be that initial area. From the big picture perspective, and hey, Clay, how do I measure the health of the move? What do I mean by the move? Well, this big old price action here, how do I measure the health of that? Just keep an eye on that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as time goes by, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control from a big picture perspective. That's just a very simplistic way to look at it. So no doubt about it, today, a lot of volume, some price action on it. So we'll see if this momentum and price action can carry on into next week or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.